What you see before you is a 52-inch Litex Piedmont, manufactured back in 2000. 3-speed electrically reversible in a black and polished brass finish, paired with a set of black blades with somewhat rounded tip. They are black on both sides. Integrated 4-light with clear hurricane style glass. This is rather unique. Show you what that looks like on here. Art Deco style blade irons, which are hugger design, so as they droop down quite a bit. Motor housing, a bit rounded in design there. Downrod ball socket mount, also flush mountable. The downrod is 4 inches long there. And we'll come around to the back, get you a glance of the main information sticker on the top. Also got the UL sticker there, and some other cautionary telephone hotline stickers there. Motor inside the fan is a 153 by 10, it appears to be. The blade pitch is roughly 10 degrees. So this fan in particular is brand new right out of the box. Give you a glance at the box real quick here. I'll get into more of that in a minute. This fan is also adaptable, so it can be installed with 4 blades. So I'll also show that configuration later on as well. But yeah, the Piedmont, definitely just a generic 90s, 2000s design. Rather popular builder vent with integrated 4-light, 5-blade fan. A lot of companies made fans similar in design to this. Like I said, beside the uncommon combination of finishes here, black and brass, like I said, typically you see these in antique brass or polished brass or white and polished brass. So finding one in black and brass is definitely pretty unique, especially new in the box. So I figured it was cool enough to add to my hoard, so here it is. So let's jump in and get started. Started up here on low. Low speed here, a bit tad fast for average. Fairly quiet. It's got a small hum to it, but it's got some bearing noise from just laying dormant for 30 years, or not really 30 years, but 25 years. A little bit of bearing noise there. Let's take it to medium. Pretty decent medium here. And high. Small wobble likely due to a balancing issue. No real big deal. Cruising at around, say around 180 RPM here. Decent airflow. Like I said, nothing too extravagant, but it gets its job done. Of course, being brand new, it runs perfectly smooth, as a Litex fan of this era would run. Alright, so we'll go ahead and cut the video and show you the 4-blade configuration. Alright, so here is the 4-blade configuration. Pop the light back on. And we'll start it on low. Go to medium. And high. High speed, we're cruising at around 180 RPM. Now, I'm actually filming this before I film my main part of this video, so I really can't compare the speed between the 5-blade and the 4-blade here, as I have not tested it with 5 blades as of yet. I would assume the speeds are not much different. Here's the light. A little bit of wobble, but to be expected from a Litex fan of this era. Decent airflow. Alright, before we end things off, we'll show you the box. This box is a bit childhood for me because of the Litex Vortex hugger that my parents bought for me new way back. Was the same box design as you see here. Pretty cool retro style graphics there. Very typical of 90s, very early 2000s. There's the manual. Not really going to get much into it. Here's an additional switch housing cap you can put on the fan in place of the integrated light. That you can use it with no light, or of course fit any kind of other light you wanted to on it. Side profile. Not sure exactly what store would have been sold at, but that's the store information. Sold at Leesport, Pennsylvania. The fan itself came from New York. And of course there's the 5th blade there. Alright, so that's all I got. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video on this 52-inch black and polished brass Litex Piedmont ceiling fan from 2000. Stay cool. Take care. Peace.